So this is my game, Spellopia. Here is the title screen. We have a rules button and a play button. So first we're going to check out the rules. On the rules, there's just mainly 4 rules for this game. First, we have the objective of the game. You on this 5x5 board, there's going to be letters on the board in each square. You click on the letters to make a word. Longer words give the player more points. And you can only make 1 word per round. Player with the most points at the end wins. This is a 2-player game, by the way. Each selected letter has to be adjacent to each other to be valid. Diagonal moves also count as for the adjacency check. Uh, this is to this is so you can't click one square on the left side of the screen and click all the way over, and that can make a word. That would make the game way too easy. The game board resets if the player's timer runs out. It also resets if a player makes a valid word. So if one player gets a bad board, the other one could also get a good board. So add some type of luck to the game. At the bottom of the board, there will be like special buttons, power ups, as I would like to call it, that would help improve the player's position. So here we go. Click play. Here are the settings. I was doing some testing, so let me set it to normal. 45 seconds, 5 rounds. These are the standard settings. You can also turn off this timer if you'd like, if you don't want the stress. So let's start the game. Player one's turn. I think this is a word. Oh, no, it isn't. My bad. Man, I suck at this game. Let's see. So there you go. Player 1 has plus 3 points. Now it's player two's turn. Let's change the board. Let me rush through this real fast.
I don't know what got on it. It was like a glitch. I think it's but I really feel like if you have future classes using this map, I mean I think you should still try to
Let's go fog. Here we go.
better max.
There is the end of the game. Thanks.